Propeller polishing services. Maintaining the efficiency of your vessel's propeller is crucial to ensure smooth operation and minimal fuel consumption. Over time, marine growth and surface imperfections can build up on the propeller, leading to reduced thrust and increasing drag. BEVALDIA offers professional propeller polishing services that effectively remove fouling and restore your propeller's optimum condition, allowing for improved vessel performance. A clean and smooth propeller reduces friction in the water, resulting in enhanced propulsion efficiency. This in turn leads to a better fuel economy, lower operational costs, and reduced strain on the engine. By regularly polishing your vessel's propeller, you can also prevent premature wear and ensure the longevity of the equipment. At BEVALDIA, our team of experts provide high-quality propeller polishing services, ensuring that your vessel's performance at its best. Whether you're operating a commercial ship or a private vessel, our services are tailored to your needs, delivering noticeable improvements in fuel consumption and overall propulsion. Why propeller polishing is essential for vessel performance. Over time, marine organisms, corrosion, and other environmental factors can cause roughness on the surface of the propeller. This buildup creates drag, reduces the efficiency of the vessel's propulsion system. Regular propeller polishing helps to restore the smoothness of the blades, which is essential for the maintaining optimum speed and fuel efficiency. By investing in BEVALDIA's propeller polishing services, vessel owners can experience smoother operations, lower fuel bills, and fewer maintenance issues. A clean propeller means your vessel can operate at its design specification, allowing for quicker transit times and less engine strain. Extend the life of your propeller with BEVALDIA. Propeller polishing is not just about performance, it's about preserving the integrity of your vessel's equipment. A poorly maintained propeller can suffer from pitting, corrosion, and excessive wear, leading to costly repairs or replacement. Regular polishing prevents its damage, keeping your propeller in top condition for longer. With BEVALDIA's propeller polishing services, you can be confident that your vessel's propeller will remain efficient, durable, and reliable. Our experienced team is committed to delivering top-notch results, helping you get the most out of your vessel. Make propeller polishing part of your regular maintenance routine with BEVALDIA and enjoy the benefits of improved performance and long-term savings. Call us at 3210-400-1120 or 3210-400-4470. Send us an email at info@bevaldia.com or visit our website bevaldia.com.